Yes, sir. You need to have a look under that cover, pull over the stop sign on the right. Thank you.
You can do anything you choose. I'm gonna be the man gonna sing them blues. Red, white, and blue down to the bone. They don't like that, tell them take their punk ass home. 'Cause I'm a kid rocking up and down your block with a bottle of scotch and watch lights of crotch by a yacht with a flag saying chillin' the most.
Okay, I'm Andy Hill from Las Vegas, Nevada, and Oz to the USA Power Tour. You guys have some fun here.
Fucker, I'ma stick to baseball, apple pie, Chevrolet. My name's Kid Rock. I said I'm the real McCoy. Early morning stone pimp, devil without a cause, kind of real McCoy. Modern day American cowboy. Everybody in the house, just throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. Come on, throw your hands in the air. Come on, make some noise. I'm packing up my game, I'ma head out west. Real women come quick with scripts and fake breasts. Got a nest in the hills, kill like Flint. Line old dry top, find a spot to pimp in. I'm a kid rocking up and down your block with a bottle of scotch. Watch lots of crime, buy a yacht with the flag saying chillin' the most. And rock that bitch up and down the coast. Give a toast to the sun, drink with the stars. Get thrown in the mix, tossed out of bars. Zip to Tijuana, I wanna roll on Motown till the fools come back home. Started escort service from all the right reasons. Set up shop high top the Four Seasons. Kid rockin', I'm the real McCoy. I'm headed out west, sucker, because you wanna be a cowboy. With the time laid back and the sunshine shining. West Coast chillin' with the blues wine. I'll be riding at night 'cause I sleep all day. I'm smelling big from a mile away. I bet you'll hear my whistle blowing when my train will leave to go. Like dust in the wind, stone, freestone out of my mind. I once was wrong, yeah, but now I'm just blind. Palm trees and leaves, scat leaves and rice. Get a map to the stars, find hiding flights. If the price is right, I'll make my bid.
Oz to USA Power Tour.